This is Rosie. Rosie is so called because of the colour of her seats, which are a sort of rose colour, as you'd imagine. She is a 2.4 diesel turbocharged auto sleeper Villa. It's based on an executive version of the Volkswagen, so it has electric windows, it has central locking, it has front fog lamps, and various other bits and bobs, alloy wheels and so forth. It's a lovely conversion, really outstanding. Has power steering. From memory the MOT is till February, and you can see the condition. She runs well, no faults that I can find. It was actually owned by a professor of physics, and so he made his own modifications, including twin amitters and various other bits and bobs. But he had also a completely automatic roof light fitted, which opens and closes itself according to the temperature that you've set, so that you can then also tell it to bring air in for increased ventilation, or take air out if you're cooking. If we go in a little bit closer, you can see there's really not much to complain about. The tyres are brand new. They were put on about 20 miles ago because the old ones were perfectly serviceable, but they've gone a little bit square. The poor chap died, and I bought it from his next of kin. I'll just change lens and then we can look inside. So you will see how smoothly the door opens and the splendiferous nature of the interior. Swivelling front seat on the passenger side. Sink, which all works. I'll just put this up, and then if we go across here and turn it to leisure battery, and then we turn the water on, and we can do the lights and the heating system. And then if I press this here with my foot, this happens. Actually, the water's nearly empty, I remember, but you can see you get a fair flow of water. On this side we have a cooker. That's a patented anti-rattle device. It's a 3-ring burner with a grill, which as far as I can see has never been used. I mean, I'm in total sympathy with that, because when I go out on campers I tend to stay in hotels, but that's me. It has blinds on all the windows. These are mosquito blinds. Bizarrely, it also has a blind on this rear window, and that doesn't open. So you get extras here. This one as well, but this one comes up in the same way and clips up. Very nice. Then up here we have cupboards. Clock, which is totally out of time. I think it's battery operated. It's got a little battery at the back. There's a fire blanket. The main table stows there, but then there's a secondary table which you will have seen from the photographs fits into that post. Then this chair can turn and use that. So there are the 2 extra ammeters. He's also had fitted a very sophisticated alarm system. And he's made his own door left open, lights on buzzer, which is very useful. But as I said, electric windows, front fog lights, rear fog lights obviously. Lovely condition seats. There's a fridge, which is probably the cleanest fridge I've ever seen in a camper van. Drawers. I haven't pushed this back enough, but porta potty and masses of storage here. If there's just the 2 of you, obviously you've got more storage up here, but if there's 4 of you, well, pretty good. It's a full 6 foot something berth. Now this, I'll try and remember how to work it. We want to do that. That's the switch to say we want to send air in or out. Then we set that. Oh no, we reset the button there. Set the temperature. And keep watching. Up it goes. And the fan starts when it's open enough. So we're now blowing air in, and boy is it nice. Cool. Very clever device. It'll open fully, but it also has a rain sensor, so that as soon as it feels rain, it will shut itself automatically. There's full instructions for this, comes with the van, as there are full instructions for just about everything. There's for the conversion itself, the bed, the beds, everything. There are rear seat belts fitted. It's got Propex heating, lights, reading light, and that's part of the alarm system, movement sensor. Lights here. And anyway, we will go for a drive.